Wait a minute. You gotta roll the window down and start the vehicle.
Oh, I have to start it?
Yeah. Show them what you got in your hand there.
Easy chill, auto AC, recharge.
All right. The goal for the day is to get the AC blowing a little bit colder than the old Caprice.
Yep.
So roll this window down.
Oh.
Start the car. And we gotta pop the hood. I'm gonna talk her through it, and she's gonna do it on her own. What do you think about that idea?
Like actually start the car?
Yeah. Oh, and turn the air conditioning on full blast. Yes.
Do I need both windows then?
No.
Okay, well, I already did it.
Is it on the cold part?
It's on AC. That's like the coldest.
Yeah, but I mean the temperature is on cold.
Oh, yeah.
It's on full blast. First order of business. You see this? Carefully unscrew it off. Don't drop that in there. Just unscrew it.
Can I put this here?
Yeah. Be careful because you see that spinning, right? I got gloves if you want them.
Well, I thought it'd be like easier to unscrew it maybe.
It shouldn't be on there that tight. Oh, there it is. You put that down there. Take this in and carefully screw it onto there. No. Look, this spins.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Does that have to be like tight?
Yeah. Alright, that's cool. Now, you see how this is like this?
Yeah.
Pull back on it like that and push it into that little nipple right there. Watch your knuckle.
Is it in far enough or like do I need to push it harder?
Yeah, you gotta push it harder. You gotta pull back. You gotta pull back on this and push at the same time.
It's like I think I got it. I think.
That's pretty hard, but you got the idea. All right, hit that little trigger at top. Oh, take the cap off. Hit the little trigger.
When do I know to stop?
Just hit it. It's important for me to show her how to do this on her own. Just in case I'm not around and she needs to do it. And it's gonna get the AC blowing cold. I'm gonna stick my hand in there and see if it's getting cold. Take a couple seconds to kick in.
The can is cold.
Yeah, the can's cold. It's getting there. This is quite a little simple. It's a simple setup. It's not too much. That's pretty much the gist of it, people. I'll bring this back in once we get all the can emptied out. It's gonna take a couple minutes. Not a couple minutes, but it's gonna take a little while. I'll bring this back in a second. Anything you want to say so far? What do you think about the Caprice here? Caprice experience?
It's been cool.
So far. It's been a while since I've done this, so I made a little mistake. So I had to bring this back and let you guys know. If you hold the can upside down, it does make life go a little bit easier when doing this. Oh yeah, it's getting a lot colder now.
It's making a noise.
All right, here, let me have it, and then you take the.
Yeah, I think it's like dripping.
And then look on the inside. Tell me if it's getting colder. What do you think?
It feels the same since I've been holding it, but it does feel colder.
Also, the windows are down, so.
Yeah. It feels better.
All right, we're just going for a little quick cruise down the street just to make sure everything is what it's supposed to be. How does it feel?
It feels better.
Better than when you started?
Yeah.
It was a lot hotter before, huh?
Yeah.
Now you got a little cool air coming out.
Yeah. I think my body has gotten used to like how hot it is though, since I was without good AC.
Air
so
conditioning?
long.
Yeah.
Air conditioning. Yeah.
All right.
I was gonna say air conditioning, but then I was like, wait, I should just say AC, and then it didn't work.
Alrighty, well, I say that is mission accomplished, right?
Yeah, for the most part.
And that just goes to show, see, teenagers, you can do it on your own. What do you think about that? You think you can do it on your own?
Yeah, it seemed pretty straightforward.
Once you get to driving on the freeway and everything, and once it really gets to kicking in the system, it's already feel like it's getting a little bit colder too. You know, once you get up to more speed. Because these old cars, these old cars ain't like new cars. It ain't gonna just sit there and idle and be icy cold. Sometimes you gotta get it moving a little bit to get that AC really blowing out. In closing, anything you want to say to these people? Got your AC going now. How do you feel now?
I feel like I won't get heat stroke every time I drive now.
Alrighty. Well, mission accomplished.
Yes.
Fist bump
Yes.
while you're driving. Ooh, both hands in the wheel. 10 and 2, girl. 10 and 2.
You offered. the
Yeah,
fist bump.
that was the test and you failed.
I didn't crash.
Eating all my candy too. Give me my Jolly Rancher back. Spit out. I'm just playing. I don't want that. That's nasty. Ew. All right, people. We're going.